Hey guys, this video is going to be a short review of the JWK Black Linears, and since it's also a budget switch landing at 90 cents Malaysian currency, around 0.2 cents in the US currency, I will be comparing these switches to the all popular budget linear, the Gateron Milky Yellows. I also bought myself some JWK T1s. They are the tactile switches sold at the same price as the JWK Blacks, but I'll be doing a more detailed review on them in another video. Here's the comparison when these switches are placed side by side. I'll be testing them mainly on my Tofu 60, but I'll also try them side by side on my KBD67 Lite. These JWK budget switches came in factory lubed, and I gotta be honest, they're pretty well lubed, meaning they're ready to use once they arrive your doorstep. However, the tactile JWK T1s are still a little scratchy, which is why I'll need some time to lube them, then test them in another video, so stay tuned if you're curious. And now let's do a full typing comparison of the JWK Linears and the Gateron Milky Yellows. These two switches do feel really similar, but the JWK Blacks are definitely lighter, but just a little lighter. But sound-wise, the JWK Blacks produce a more poppy and clackier sound compared to the Milky Yellows, and personally I think I'm kinda liking that clack. So before I end this video, I think the JWK Blacks are a good purchase and a good alternative to the Milky Yellows. It might sound better to some, but some might not like how light the springs are, so please do take that into consideration. Thanks for watching the video, bye!